I guarantee it's not for here, though. We gotta record it. Tornado? Yes, it's a tornado warning, Jacob. I know it's not for here, but I just haven't seen...
Weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana.
Dang it!
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado
They're really good. They're awesome. Tell you what.
Northeastern Columbiana County and east central Ohio.
No, they're all talking right now.
Daylight time.
They're all talking right now.
Eastern Daylight time.
They just don't have the same voice?
Yeah, they're all set to voice right now.
Near East Rochester and with
Tornado
winds
in
southeast
Rochester,
to
same
25
thing,
miles
Jacob.
per hour.
There's gonna be the same
See,
voice.
so this is the effective time. 45 more minutes that it's effective to. And then...
So like 5:30, I mean 5:50. About